Hello everyone, so this is Apurva from Unique Handicrafts. Today I will be showing you how to wrap a stone and you can use it as a pendant to your necklace chains. So this was my first wire wrapped stone. You can see here. Uh, actually for wrapping these stones we require the wire of good width. So the width of the wire should be this way as I'm showing it into the video. Then this is my second wire wrapped stone. This is my third. Every pendant is obviously having different designs, and this is my fourth wire wrapped stone. You can see here, and this one is the one white color one. Okay, so you can really use these pendants into your silver necklace or maybe copper shaded necklace. So let's start. So today we are going to do wire wrapping with this white amethyst. You can see the shape of this stone is actually elongated as into a knife shape. So it's having a knife shape here. To work on the wire wrapping of this particular stone, what we're going to do is we will require a wire of this particular width. I'll share the width into the description box below, and the length should be approximate 2.5 or 3 centimeters. You can say 2.5 centimeters of wire we would be requiring for this. Now let's start with the tutorial. Okay, now what you have to do is first start with this. You have to take the end of the wire. Okay, and then again you have to start with your round nose plier. You have to you have to make something to hang, right? You have to hang that pendant to a necklace or any other chain. I mean, so you have to roll it once, again roll it second time. Okay, you can see I'm rolling it second time, and then you can again roll it third time. So you should have proper 3 layers: 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so you can see. Now you can just take your flat nose pliers, or you can just even press with the same round nose plier. You have to press that. Okay, so now we have created a actually it's a little bit difficult to handle because the wire is a little bit long. So we have created the hanger for the your pendant. Now what you have to do is this is your hanger. Now you have to hold the stone this way. Here, this is going to be a, so you have to, we are going to just make a simple shape because this is the first video I'm making for you all. So I'm just showing you. Okay, the thicker the wire is, your design will look more elegant that way. So again you have to wrap it over the stone. Make sure that the wrapping is very tight. See, this is one round, then again I'm just doing a second round over the stone. See, this is the back side, this way. This is the second round over the stone. Now move to the front side. This is the third. See, what I'm doing is I'm just simply making a spiral design over the stone. Okay, so you can see, can you see this? Yeah. Now again the wire, okay, twist the wire this way. So this is the last. So I have done 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 spirals on this particular stone. Okay, again twist it nicely from the back side this way. Now we will just make a design around this particular holder where you're going to hang your necklace. So one round, then you have a second round. Okay, then you have a third round, just simply to have a good design, and simultaneously it's holding the wire and the stone. Can you see this? I have just made 3 rounds over that particular foot. Okay, twisting of wire is little bit tough job, and for the stone, it's a stone, it's not a bead, remember, so it's not having any hole or somewhere to hang the wire or to go through. Okay, so yes, can you see this? Now what I'll do is I'll just take a I'll take the wire cutter and I'll cut the excess of wire. Okay, and now the extra portion, you can see the, not extra, the portion which you have cut, so you have to just settle it down. It's very much tight and you can see that it's not at all moving. Can you see? Right, so this is actually the shape we have made is a spiral shaped. So yeah, this is my, so yes, simply you can take any chain. This is, for example, consider the chain, and you can hang it. You can hang your pendant to the chain or necklace. So I think this is a copper color shade, so this would obviously, this is a copper color shade, so this would obviously suit a copper color pendant. So yes, so again, this is what my first one, this is the second one which I'm showing it to you all now, and one is this one, right? So you can see how lovely it looks. So this is wire wrapping for a pendant. Thank you, thanks a lot. If you like my video, please subscribe and share to it. I'll just come with I will probably on next, maybe Wednesday, I would come with my view on new wire wrapping techniques, and simultaneously I'm working on my terracotta jewelry as well.